If you're an avid outdoor adventurer, there are a ton of great smartwatches on the market to choose from. However, just recently, HUAWEI announced its new watches, the HUAWEI Watch GT6 and 6 Pro, which are designed to adapt to all your on and off-road adventures. In fact, HUAWEI has partnered with us on this video to help show you guys what makes their new watch stand out from the crowd, and see how the new Watch GT6 and 6 Pro can enhance your next outdoor adventure, wherever your adrenaline takes you next. So, sit back, relax, and see what this watch can do. So before we dive deep into all the watch's performance features, let's take a look at the design of this watch. The Watch GT6 and 6 Pro sport a design reminiscent of classic analog watches, thanks to its geometric aesthetic and raised timing bezels that feature numeric markers on the sides. The Watch GT6 comes in both 41mm and 46mm sizes in a variety of color options. Meanwhile, the Watch GT6 Pro comes in 46mm and is available with more premium strap options. All watches in the GT6 series come with HUAWEI's Easy Fit 3.0 design, which makes it easy to swap watch straps whenever you like. Regardless of the fit and finish you choose though, the Watch GT6 features an understated look that works well while you're out in nature or during an elegant night indoors. But with classical design also comes modern innovations. The watch face features up to a 1.47-inch AMOLED screen on the 46mm version, which HUAWEI claims provides a larger amount of screen real estate compared to the previous Watch GT5 Pro. The Watch GT6 series also boasts a peak brightness of 3000 nits, which makes it easy to see the display even in direct sunlight. In terms of durability, the Watch GT6 and 6 Pro utilize a TC4 titanium alloy case with an ultra-hard metallic coating, which HUAWEI claims should provide superior scratch and wear resistance. The watch also uses a scratch-resistant sapphire glass, and it has IP69 water and dust resistance. This means the watch should be able to keep up with whatever the elements have in store for your next adventure. Of course, while you're out on your adventures, you'll want to make sure your watch will last you from beginning to end. According to HUAWEI, that shouldn't be a problem, as the watch is designed to deliver a 21-day battery life when using the larger 46mm watch in light usage scenarios. This is made possible by leveraging high silicone stacked, special-shaped battery technology, which boosts battery density by 37%. In short, this increased battery density means that HUAWEI is able to cram in more battery life into the watch while maintaining a relatively compact form factor, thus ensuring you can adventure on uninterrupted. As you go on your outdoor adventures, the last thing you want to do is get lost. Of course, many smartwatches nowadays come with GPS tracking capabilities, but HUAWEI thinks they can do one better with their all-new Sunflower Positioning System, which comes standard in the Watch GT6 series. This new positioning system combines upgrades to positioning algorithms with improvements made to the watch's antenna architecture. HUAWEI claims that this enables enhanced location accuracy from within 10 meters to 8 meters, which marks a 20% improvement that the company says sets a new industry benchmark for precision, even when compared to companies like Garmin and Apple. So whether you're running in the city, hiking outdoors, or cycling on complex routes, the GT6 series watches are able to match the optimal positioning algorithm and antenna mode to whatever activity you're performing, integrating scene and map data to deliver highly accurate distance tracking. For even broader global coverage, the watch can also take advantage of what HUAWEI calls dual-band full constellation, which takes advantage of up to 6 satellites to ensure that no matter where you are, you should be able to find your way back without any worries. Because this is a smartwatch, you can use it in virtually any outdoor scenario. But what's really cool about the GT6 series are all the performance features that are geared specifically for cyclists. For the more casual cyclists out there, the Watch GT6 series offers features like phone watch linking, which lets you sync your cycling route from your watch to your phone, which can basically turn your phone into a bike computer at no extra cost. You can also import third-party cycling routes from the HUAWEI Health app and share cycling data on platforms like Strava and Komoot. You can also take advantage of the watch's auto-detect cycling feature. Once you start pedaling, the watch will automatically start recording your cycling session from start to finish. It'll even automatically pause tracking when you stop for a short break and resume when you continue cycling, all without you having to manually intervene and let you focus on the ride. Now, if you're a pro or someone who's planning to take their cycling more seriously, then you'll be interested to know that the Watch GT6 series has a new feature that solves the power issue. And no, I'm not talking about power as in battery life. I'm talking about power as in cycling power. For those who are unfamiliar, when cyclists measure performance, they usually do it in terms of power, or watts, since it's a measurement of work over time. To measure this, cyclists typically install power meters on their bike, which are essentially pedals that have sensors built in to measure the amount of power generated from cycling. The problem that cyclists have is that these power meters often cost hundreds or thousands of dollars, which can make measuring power a hefty investment. A tough pill to swallow, especially for people considering going pro. Enter the Watch GT6 series, which Huawei claims is the first smartwatch to support cycling virtual power. To achieve this, Huawei gathered over 1,000 experimental datasets across various bike types, rider heights, weights, and wind speeds, all in China's authoritative wind tunnel laboratory. These datasets were then used to create the algorithm that enables the cycling virtual power feature. During your ride, personal information such as your height, weight, heart rate, speed, and elevation changes, and bike specifics such as your type and weight are taken into account to generate results with a mean absolute error of 15 watts or less. It takes all this information and boils it down to one metric to tell you your power. How much work are you actually putting in, and are you getting stronger over time? Instead of having to pay for expensive power meters for your bike, the Watch GT6 series is designed to measure cycling power without the need for a dedicated power meter. But that's not all. The watch also offers many more features geared for serious cyclists, including being able to calculate functional threshold power, which is basically your highest average power that you can maintain for an hour. The watch also supports uninterrupted long-distance tracking up to 5,000 kilometers, as well as fall detection and automatic SOS requests in case of emergency. Now, the performance features of the Watch GT6 series aren't just limited to cycling. For runners and hikers, you can easily sync route data from your phone to the watch with a single tap and take advantage of smart route sorting for quick access to your favorite paths. As you trek through the terrain, an altitude chart and real-time grade updates right on the watch can provide a clear picture of the path ahead, all without you having to pull out your phone. For those of you trying to maintain a good pace, you may enjoy the new grade-adjusted pace feature that converts up or downhill paces into an equivalent flat road pace. This, combined with auto-generated ETA markers, should help casual and pro hikers maintain a steady amount of progress as they conquer the trails ahead. Now, it's clear that the watch has what it takes for people trying to run up the hill, but what about for those who want to ski down the slopes? Well, if you ski, then the Watch GT6 series also has you covered here. According to Huawei, its new watch series uses advanced multi-sensor function to help track your skiing activity, accurately tracking metrics like the number of trips, elevation, duration, distance, and grade when speed skating or carving turns. For those who prefer to swing a club on solid ground instead, you can take advantage of the Watch GT6 series' updated golf interface, complete with improved readability for key metrics and more detailed course maps. You can even tap on the map to measure the distance from where you stand, or zoom and explore the map to get the full picture of what's around you, such as intricate hazards like bunkers, trees, and water hazards. Now, even when you're at rest, the Watch GT6 series is still looking out for you, thanks to its wide suite of health features. The heart of all the watch's fitness and health tracking features is Huawei's all-new TrueSense system, which the company claims is designed to deliver faster, more accurate, and more comprehensive monitoring of workout and health data. Not only does this power all of the sports-centric features I've described earlier in the video, but it also enables features tailored for your mental and physical health. For example, Huawei claims that the watch can detect different emotional states and adapt the Watch GT6 series according to what you're feeling. For example, if the watch senses you're stressed, the watch can display different watch faces and animations to help you relax. When it comes to your heart health, the Watch GT6 in particular comes with pulse wave arrhythmia analysis and can automatically detect and notify you of any potential heart rhythm irregularities. Meanwhile, the Watch GT6 Pro comes with ECG analysis to help you gain real-time insight into your heart condition right from your wrist. And to see all of your health stats at a glance, the updated Health Insights feature can provide a comprehensive analysis of your personal well-being. It can synthesize the data regarding your emotional state, sleep, workout, and heart health to generate an overview of how you're doing, thus helping you get a clear picture of your overall condition. Now, if you want to learn even more about the Huawei Watch GT6 or GT6 Pro, then I highly recommend you check out Huawei's website. Link in the description below. But I'm curious, what features stand out to you? Let us know in the comments. Thanks again to Huawei for partnering with us for this video, and thanks for watching, buds. I'll see you in the next one.